Kev G, weather overview, taking a look at the Penn State EWOL site. And this has the radar, and we've got some scattered showers moving through. They were heavier over Pennsylvania, starting to lose some of their punch as they cross the Hudson and onto the coast. And, there'll be of the light to moderate variety in any one place as they move along. But, it's really over the next couple of hours we got to deal with them, and then it's sayonara. And then we're looking at a fair couple of days for Wednesday and Thursday before more showers move in for Friday. Easter Sunday didn't turn out too bad. Any one place that got some sunshine for a few hours in the afternoon really warmed up nicely. So hope you had an enjoyable holiday weekend. And we'll turn the page as we head into late April into early May. And when we take a look at the rainfall totals from yesterday, they were very sneaky across the tri-state area. This pesky upper low, instead of doing its dirty work on Sunday, it managed to really make some headway as far as the overall rainfall is concerned along the coast. And there was some impressive totals out in Suffolk. A lot of places basically a good chunk of Suffolk County got well over a half inch of rain yesterday. And it made for a pretty lousy day across the coastal areas, while west of I-95, not a whole heck of a lot happening at all. So very interesting observations from yesterday's upper low dancing around the tri-state area, and especially menacing the coastal sections and making for a big surprise as far as the overall rainfall pattern was concerned the further east you went. Now when we look at the GFS model, the front moves through. That's the one that's producing the showers now. That gets out of here. Then we have a nice day for tomorrow and Thursday with fair skies. And then the next front moves in for Friday, and this will deliver a good bit of rain for Friday afternoon into Friday night. Showers could be heavy at times. We'll probably get a half inch of rain or more out of this particular system. And then it goes by for Saturday, and it turns a little cooler for Saturday with, some breezy conditions, but highs will generally be around 60 where they should be this time of year. And then another fast-moving system for late in the weekend for Sunday afternoon, Sunday night. And that actually moves through, and that could deliver snow in northernmost New England, believe it or not, if this model is correct. And then after that, high pressure settles in, and we'll have to see what happens with this overall pattern next week. To me, it looks like it's going to be a warm pattern as we head into the early part of May with not a whole heck of a lot going on. So the models are trying to figure out the placement of a frontal boundary next week, and that's off in the distance. But until then, a lot of fair skies headed our way with the exception of Friday and then maybe Sunday afternoon, Sunday night with a quick shot of rain. I think Friday is more prolonged than Sunday. And then Monday, Tuesday gets fair again. So temperatures not bad this time of year, right around where they should be. With any luck, we'll get to 70 tomorrow in some places, as the front that moves through tonight is not all that strong. And Saturday looks like a nice day as we're in between systems. If you're trying to plan out which weekend day is the better of the two.